Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 7th of March 2018. Okay guys, I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So this is the report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. Okay, so let's talk about the first signal of the day, EURUSD, with a bearish expectation from my side. The entry was 124149, and guys, you can see that today EURUSD has taken the U-turn and then we have seen a final drop on EURUSD. If it continues to go like this, then the next target can be 123306, and the levels are already drawn on the chart. So this is a sell position taken on EURUSD today. Okay, now let's talk about another profitable trade which belongs to New Zealand USD. So guys, you know that it was moving up, and today I have supplied the anti-signal. I have supplied the bearish trend. 07287 was the entry, and guys, you can see right after the U-turn we have a big drop on New Zealand USD, and hopefully those subscribers who are subscribed to the signal service, they must have cashed the trade because this is a big drop on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about the strength of USDJPY. You know that I have already updated this thing in my previous lectures, that USDJPY is strong with a bullish expectation from my side today. 105644 was the possible entry from my side, and today it breaks the entry and finally it moves up. And those subscribers who have taken the trade on EURUSD, New Zealand USD and USDJPY, they must be in very good profits because USDJPY has finally went so much up. So this is too much for taking a trade on a particular pair. Okay, a semi signal from my side on AUDUSD with a bullish expectation. 0781101 was the entry, but however it went few pips up and then we have a drop on AUDUSD. However, you know that this signal was, as per my experience, this signal was basically for scalping from my side. So I tried to do scalping. So I tried to close my trade in the early session of the day. So that's a profit, but later on we have a drop here. Okay guys, one more thing again for the US session. If it again breaks 0781110, then it will be back into the bullish zone. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So guys, this is a very good signal from my side. I have supplied a very strong signal in the morning. 129342 was the entry, and if you look at here, I have supplied the big gap today, and I was expecting a big bullish trend, and the targeted price was 129883, and you can see that we have also hit the targeted price on USD Canadian dollar. And if you watch my previous lectures, then I was already talking about the strength of USD, and this is USD Canadian dollar, so it finally went up and it should have given profits to you. At last, I'm going to talk about the last pair of the day, which is Great Britain Pound JPY. Let me switch my chart here. I have supplied the bullish trend today. We have a drop yesterday, but today I turned bullish. 146740 was the entry, and guys, the method is on the screen. You can see that right from the entry it has moved up, and hopefully you must have caught the bullish trend today as per the signals report. So guys, overall I was not expecting a very much easy day, but it went profitable in a right way, and hopefully you people must have caught the signals and purified signals, because you know that I provide total 8 signals a day, 8 full day trading signals in my signals report, and you can see that we have hit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 signals out of 8 signals here today. So guys, moreover, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary with confirmations, like it's went into the top red boundary, then it was making a bearish pattern. So you can sell the pair whenever you see the market in this way. And when it gets a drop, and after that if it goes into the lower red boundary and it starts getting a bullish trend, then in this case you can buy the pair. This is how we use this trading system. Also guys, I'm going to update you here. If you look at here, then I'm just going to talk about the scalper, the one that is giving you the arrows signals. A white arrow was appeared on Great Britain Pound JPY a few hours ago, and that was a buy signal. It went up, and then red signal was appeared right here also yesterday and today here, and it went up. It went for a drop yesterday. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Whenever it gives bullish signals into the top red boundary, we ignore the bullish signals. Whenever it gives the red signal in the top red boundary, we give the grass on that signals, on the scalper signal. but we do not give the grass on the signal. For example, let's say if it gives us sell signal here into the lower oversold level, so that's not a good time to sell the bear. So you need to wait for a bullish signal, like in the form of white signal that it is appeared today on Great Britain pound JPY. So this is how we use the trading system. Sorry. Okay, moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexwebs.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.